Hi everyone, and welcome back to my beginner crochet series. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the double crochet stitch. So to begin, I've chained 12, and if you don't know how to make a chain, you can go back and look at my first video of this series. It'll teach you how. So to start, you're going to want to work your first double crochet stitch into the third chain from your hook. So you're going to skip the chain that's closest to your hook and the one that's next to that and work it into the third. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through the final 2 loops. That's 1 double crochet. And your second double crochet will be in the chain right next to it. So yarn over and insert your hook. And you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Then yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And you're just going to do this all the way across your chain. So again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And just continue to do this all the way down until you have worked one double crochet into each chain. Okay, and now I've made my way down the chain with 9 double crochet, and I'm making my 10th double crochet into the last chain. So you should have a total of 10 double crochet. And it's really easy to count these stitches. You can see that it creates a little post, and so each one of those counts as 1 double crochet stitch. You can also rotate your work and look along the top of it and see that each stitch creates a little V shape, and each V counts as 1 stitch. So to start row 2, you're going to chain 2, so yarn over and pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, that's 2 chains, and then turn your work. And then you'll be working 1 double crochet in each stitch back down the row. So you're going to make your first double crochet into the very last stitch that you made in the previous row. So yarn over, insert your hook into that very first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then you'll do the same thing in the stitch right next to it. Be sure that you're inserting your hook right under that V, so you have 2 loops from the V on your hook, and then work your double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Just do this all the way down the row until you have a total of 10 double crochet. Okay, and once you've made 10 double crochet and you've reached the end, you can start row 3 by chaining 2, turning your work, and then you do the exact same thing, work 1 double crochet in each stitch down the row for as many rows as your pattern calls for, and that's it. It's really simple, and it's one of my favorite stitches. I hope this tutorial helped you guys, and be sure to stay tuned for a lot more tutorials.